Hi, my name is Abby. I am the Social Emotional Support Specialist at the Parish School. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make and use a pinwheel for breathing. So in our past videos about breathing, I talked a little bit about how using a tool or a visual can really help prompt children to take those deep breaths. It allows them to see how their breathing works and see that they are in control of that breathing. So this tool can be used to help a child feel regulated when they are dysregulated, but it is important to remember to teach this or introduce this when they are in a regulated state. So if you try to introduce this when your child is dysregulated, their brain is not in a state to learn something new, so it is important to introduce it when they are regulated first. This can be used for co-regulation when used with a trusted adult, like a parent, or it can be used for self-regulation when the child learns to use this tool independently. For the materials, we will need a piece of paper. You can use cardstock or regular paper, a pencil, a push pin, a ruler, scissors, and markers. So first, you want to start by decorating your paper. You can choose the pattern color that your kiddo prefers, and then you want to go ahead and measure it to be 8 by 8 inches. So mine is pre-measured and pre-decorated. Next, we are going to trace diagonal lines. So you place your ruler this way. We are going to trace it, and then on the other side, and trace it. So the lines on your paper should look like this. And next you're going to use your scissors and you're going to cut down each line that you just traced, but you're going to stop about a little less than an inch before you reach the center. So it should look like this. Now for the assembly. So you're going to grab your push pin. You're going to poke a hole through one of the corners. You skip this corner, you grab the next one, fold it in, pierce it through, skip that corner, go to the next, hole through it. Again, you skip the next corner, grab the very next one, poke it through. And once you have that last corner, there's no more to skip. So we're gonna go ahead and push it through the middle. So now that you've pushed your pin through the middle, you're gonna have that sharp end there. So what you wanna do is grab your eraser side of the pencil and go ahead and make a hole through it. And this way we can cover up the sharp end. Now that you have your pinwheel, you can invite your child to breathe with you. Show them how the pinwheel works. Point out that the different types of breaths that they take change and control the way that the pinwheel moves. So for example, if they take a long, deep belly breath and blow out slowly, the pinwheel will last a longer time spinning. As opposed to a short, quick breath, like it might not even move the pinwheel, it might move it for a short time, and really pointing out that they are in control of their breathing. I encourage them to take those longer, deeper breaths that help move the pinwheel for a longer, slower time. And remember that when your child is dysregulated, taking at least 3 deep belly breaths will help shut off the autonomic nervous system and help relieve stress from the body. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this video or any of our other videos, please feel free to email us at familysupport@parishschool.org. Thank you.